Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI.
I have been searching for the perfect 9x13 pan and I have definitely found it. This one by AISBUGUR has been so perfect. The first thing I did was make a lasagna and it did not bubble over. I love how deep this dish is and it is non-stick. As you can see, the lasagna came right out perfectly. I love the design on the side. It is a beautiful looking dish. And it is so deep. I do not worry anything's going to spill over. They have this nice big handle on the side, and also the bottom is raised a bit so that the heat disperses properly. It is perfect for non-stick. These chicken fingers did not stick at all, and I didn't have to add any oil or anything. I also made the perfect roasted potatoes in this pan.
If you do baking or cooking of any kind, I highly recommend this 9x13 baking dish. It is so nice and big, nothing's going to bubble over or spill, and it is also extremely great quality and so easy to clean. I really love it, and I think you will too, and that's my point of view.